So today we are at Rideau District High School in Elgin, and with us is Dave Furlot, a certified member of the Joint Health and Safety Committee for the Upper Canada District School Board. Dave is going to be sharing his experiences and his time in inspecting gymnasiums, gym storage rooms, and weight rooms.
First thing when inspecting a weight or fitness room to look for is, are there emergency response procedures in place, and is there a clear entrance and exit path for users of the room? When inspecting powered fitness equipment in a fitness room, some common things to look for are the proper manufacturer supplied safety devices in place and in good working order? Are the cords frayed and in good condition? Is the wall outlet in good condition? Is the machine itself stable? And are there any missing parts? Similar to powered equipment, when inspecting unpowered equipment in a fitness room, you want to make sure the devices themselves are stable, there's no missing parts, that what's supposed to move freely moves freely, and that there are no pinch points that could hurt a user. As can be seen here, this device is missing a guard that was provided by the manufacturer. It should be replaced. When inspecting machines like this, and this in particular is a leg extension / curl combination machine, we want to make sure the machine itself is stable, that the cables are in good condition, there's no fraying, proper bolts and connectors and pins are being used, manufacturer supplied warning labels and directions are in place, and that overall the machine is in good condition. When inspecting a weightlifting rack like this, some of the common things to look for are to make sure that the whole device is stable, bolts are tightened, that the bars are put away securely when you're finished using them, that proper size clamps are available to users, and that in general it is in good repair, and when the users are finished, weights are put away. When looking at free weights, they should be stored on a proper rack. Ideally, they should be off the floor to prevent tripping hazards. Barbells, such as this, should be stored horizontally and not vertically so as to prevent worker injury. When inspecting a weight room like any other room, electrical panels should be kept clear and easily accessible. In phys ed rooms, there are often bars, standards, stanchions, or poles used for various sports, and they need to be stored properly. In some gymnasiums, you might find a powered folding partition wall which opens and closes to divide the gymnasium in half. The potential hazard points for a device such as this would be during the opening and closing of the mechanism. The mechanism does require 2 keys at either end of the gym for proper and safe operation. In addition, the doors have pressure switches. If they are taken out from the wall at all, the mechanism or device will stop functioning. The 2-key 2-operator system is done to avoid crushing injuries when opening or closing the door. Other things to look for when examining a gymnasium include, are all the exits identified with proper signage? Is the PA system affixed with a redundant system to fasten to the wall? Is there emergency lighting available where no natural light exists? Is there an occupancy load sign posted in the gymnasium? Are floor sockets for game standards flush with the floor? And are fixtures such as bleachers and basketball backstops securely fastened to the wall? As per building code requirements, electrical outlets have to have a cover plate in place. Handrails need to be secure and in place. Gymnasiums or auditoriums that have mezzanines for storage need to have proper handrails in place and guarding to prevent items from falling on users or workers below. In gymnasiums or auditoriums with overhead lighting, the lighting fixtures themselves need 2 points or styles of contact or connection, and the wiring needs to be in good condition.